Hi, so I'm Karn. So today we're gonna be putting this engine together for the most part and trying to pull it and see if it spins and hopefully maybe the piston will go up and down. For the start, what we're gonna do is gonna take the crankshaft and the camshaft. I'm gonna put them in. The crankshaft will be this. Crankshaft, make sure. But this will hold it. So now, as you can see, it's lined up there, the hole and the little bit. Now what I'm gonna do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put this piston in. There we go. And normally it's a special tool, but I'm gonna use a screwdriver. Now I'm gonna take these two parts and screw them. No, not screw them, sorry. Put them in here. Well, size is 11mm. 11mm is ready for this. There we go. There we go. Okay, now what's gonna happen is I'm gonna put the cylinder head. Just make sure. Put the cylinder head on. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the cylinder head on. I didn't actually do anything. I just used it. Okay. Now I'm gonna use my torque wrench and go to the left one. Well, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the side on with the gasket. So like that. And then we put this on. So now we're going to put the fire on. We're going to line this up. And then we have a little pin here for the lock. You see now we're going to move this. Okay, so now we'll put the clutch on here. We're going to take my push right. Push it on here. Oh. Now, what's going to happen here? Intake, compression, explosion, and exhaust, and then release, intake, compression, explosion, exhaust.